Hello everyone! If you buy items in bulk but sell them individually, master products can help you track your stock more efficiently. In this video, I'll guide you through setting up a master product and linking it to the items you sell at the till. Let's get started. First things first, make sure your individual items or child products have already been created in the back office. For example, if you sell chocolate bars individually but buy them in boxes of 10, each bar is your child product, and the box of stock is your master product. Now, let's create a category for your master products. From the bento menu, go to Products, then select Categories from the left-hand menu. Click Add Category and call it Master Products. Then, show Advanced Settings and untick the Show on Till box. This will keep your master products hidden from the till. Press Save at the bottom. Next, let's add your master product. Go back to the product list. Click Advanced Add at the top right. If you're using the old product list, just click Add Product. Give your product a name and description. We recommend starting the name with MP so it's easy to identify as a master product. Enter your cost price, select the correct tax rate, and then enter your sales price. Although the master product isn't sold on the till, entering this information will allow for an operational margin to be calculated. From here, scroll down to the category section, select the category you just created, and set up your unit and volume sales. Under Unit of Sale, choose the relevant way in which the child product is sold. For this example, we'll use each, since one chocolate bar depletes out of a box of 10 each time it's sold. Then, under Volume of Sale, enter the amount of child products that are in the master product. We don't want this product to be visible on the till, so scroll down and untick the Sell on Till box. It's important to add the master product stock straight away. This ensures it shows on future stock take lists. Enter in how many boxes you have, even if it's 0. Select the stock's location and your staff profile. Then, click Add to save your master product. Now, let's link it to your child product. In the product list, find the item you want to link, like your single chocolate bar, and click the 3 dots on the right. Choose Advanced Edit. If you're using the old product list, click Advanced instead. And if you can't see the Advanced option, you might have Product Beta turned on. For the purpose of this tutorial, switch it off at the top right of your product list and confirm with Submit and Turn Off. Continuing on with Advanced Edit, scroll to the Master Products section. Choose the category you created earlier from the drop-down and select your master product from the list. In the Amount field, enter how much should be deducted when one child product is sold. In most cases, this will be 1. For wet master products, like a bottle of drink being served in a bar, you can use liters and milliliters as the unit and volume sales, making it easy to track single and double shots. Click Add to link the two products. Once linked, go down to the Product Pricing section and press the Calculate from Master Product button next to the Cost Price field. This will work out an accurate cost price per bar. Now, when the child product is sold at the till, the system will automatically reduce stock from the master product. So, if your master product is a box of 10 chocolate bars, each sale of a single bar will reduce that box's stock by 1 unit. An important note here, be sure to only add stock to the master product. Adding stock to both the master and child products can cause issues with reporting and inventory. For stock adjustments, the master product will show as Stock 2, Volume 0. This means there's 2 full, unopened boxes in stock. As soon as a bar is sold, the system opens the box, and the stock updates to Stock 1, Volume 9. This means there are 9 bars left in the open box, and another box is still unopened. Each time another bar is sold, the current volume continues to decrease. Once all 10 bars have been sold, the system updates to Stock 1, Volume 0. You can also assign more than one master product to a single child product. This is ideal for cocktails or recipes. For example, selling a mojito could reduce stock from multiple master products, lime, mint, rum, and soda water. It gives you greater flexibility for managing stock when items have different ingredients or components. And there you have it. You've set up master products to streamline your stock management. Want more tips? Check out our other tutorials for more ways to get the most out of your back office. Thanks for watching.